Hi, and welcome to American Printer TV. I'm Tamara Ferlansky.
And I'm John Hamilton. In just a few minutes, we'll get you up to speed on the latest industry news.
April is Earth Month, so we thought we'd help some of the smaller printers out there with some green strategy tips.
And we have a lot more in store for you today.
Let's take a look at what else is coming up.
FedEx Office beefs up its on-demand printing network.
We get smart about the Intelligent Mail Barcode.
And some big changes at Ricoh Americas Corporation.
FedEx Office has formed an alliance with Canon USA and HP to equip its North American print-on-demand network. Over the next 12 months, FedEx Office will deploy approximately 12,000 new Canon and HP printing devices across more than 1,800 locations in the United States and Canada. And this will lay the foundation for a range of new products and services. Brian Phillips, President and CEO of FedEx Office, says customers' expectations of printing have changed dramatically, and we are transforming our business to stay ahead of those trends and improve on our leadership position. The new devices, along with online and cloud printing applications, will provide fast turnaround and 24/7 access to FedEx customers. The equipment will also allow for remote printing from wherever the customers are located whenever they want to print, using USB drives or smartphones.
We have a few highlights for you now from the recent free webinar hosted by American Printer Magazine and InfoPrint Solutions Company to help printers get smart about the Intelligent Mail Barcode. The United States Postal Service's Intelligent Mail Barcode, or IMB, will be required for postal automation discounts in May 2011. AP editor Catherine O'Brien and InfoPrint's consulting IT architect Brian Doyle discussed several considerations printers face when implementing this new technology. The webinar provided a primer for printers new to the IMB. InfoPrint also offers a suite of solutions designed to provide quick barcode conversion without changing legacy applications. If you missed this free webinar earlier this month, check it out today by clicking on the banner to the right of the screen.
Several key leadership changes are taking place at Ricoh Americas Corporation. They are designed to align the organization under integrated leadership and enhance future growth. The company's direct sales and service organizations in the United States, namely Ricoh Business Solutions and Icon Office Solutions, will continue to operate separately in the market under the new leadership team. Kevin Togashi is now chairman and CEO of Ricoh Americas Holdings Incorporated. Matthew J. Espy is chairman and CEO of Ricoh Americas Corporation, including subsidiary Icon Office Solutions. He says this new organizational structure will allow us to take advantage of the combined strengths of all our sales and service channels. Additionally, Jeffrey W. Hicklings expands his current role as President and COO of Icon Office Solutions to become President and CEO of Ricoh US. For a full list of Ricoh America's leadership changes, visit www.americanprinter.com/news.
IQ Intelligent Color Workflow, a free content and production management solution for the Illumina digital color press, is now available from Zante. The technology allows Illumina users to take control of their customers' digital files, manage production schedules, and deliver dramatically improved color and print quality. The IQ Intelligent Color Workflow enables spot color matching, screening, and CMYK control, color and flexible queue management, and archiving. IQ applies special screening to improve image quality or cut toner usage up to 25%. The job ticket editor lets operators manage jobs individually or through program settings designed to deliver optimum color and image quality for specific job types. You can learn more about IQ at the website below.
Agfa Graphics has launched a new 4-up Violet chemistry-free computer-to-plate system. It includes an Avalon V4 CTP engine, Azura V chemistry-free plates, and a dedicated cleanout unit. Existing photopolymer processors can be adapted to serve as cleanout units. The Avalon V4 is available in a semi-automatic as well as a daylight working fully automatic configuration that produces 36 plates per hour at 1200 DPI. The new chemistry-free system is built for commercial printers using up to 10,000 square meters per year of plate material on 4-up presses. It is built to deliver high productivity and reliability at the quality level of 4-up thermal systems, but at a significantly lower cost. Next month at IPEX 2010, AGFA will release Apogee 7. This new version of the workflow management suite includes Apogee Impose, an AGFA-developed imposition module that relies on live job information rather than templates to perform imposition. Apogee 7 allows print buyers to go beyond the web-to-print screen to create new jobs in the pre-press stage with web approval. Now, for more information, visit agfa.com.
Quark has acquired the assets and technology of software company Gluon. It includes Gluon's hyper-publishing system suite of products, which Quark will integrate into its publishing software to enable large-scale web-to-print, variable data printing, and advertising automation solutions. As part of the acquisition, Quark also gains Gluon extensions and plugins that add efficiencies and capabilities to Quark Express, Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Illustrator. Gluon's employees will join Quark and will continue to provide their expertise to customers in development, implementation, and customer support. It's time now for another great tech tip from Ray Prince. Take a look.
This is Ray Prince for American Printer TV. I enjoy writing for the magazine and thought I'd like to share with you some more technical ideas. Here we are at generally what's considered the dirty part of the press. Spray powder is a killer. Of course, one of the ways we try to eliminate spray powder on this press is by using water-based coatings. The problem with using too much spray powder is, if you can look in here and see our gripper bars. These areas, when they cake up with spray powder, basically you get spray powder in there and oil. Now you have that spray powder dropping down that sheet, that oil dropping down on that sheet. Yes, it's bad. Where it's worse is now if we have to double pass this job. I now put 6 colors on, I want to put 2 more PMSs on. I now take that sheet back through the press, and all that debris goes right up into my ink, right up into my blankets, and then I end up with hickeys. So getting rid of spray powder, keeping it at a minimum with no oil flying. We have to grease chains in here on a regular basis. Once again, it's the proper amount of grease. Too much is horrible. Too little, we're not doing enough. We could have change break and cause a disaster on press. But quite frankly, too much grease gives us as many problems, okay? And what happens is we get grease sputtering and flying on the sheets. Not a good idea. I'm going to bend down here a little bit. The importance of the jog that we have, okay? Now, once again, we're at a show, a lot of starts and stops, but, you know, we like a decent jog. We don't want those sheets flowing all over the place. And once again, I always love plastic skids, okay? Because on a plastic skid, you can keep that load nice and even. So once again, your delivery should be clean. Keep your spray powder down. Water-based coating is always a good investment with the Analox coater. Thank you so much.
There's a perception, especially among some smaller printers, that sustainability programs are expensive and time-consuming. Well, think again. According to Gary Jones, Director of Environmental, Health and Safety Affairs for Printing Industries of America, says sustainability is more than using recycled paper and soy inks. It's a holistic approach to running a business. With this approach, many printing operations have been able to save significant costs due to waste prevention, improved product quality, and reduced operating expenses. Jones adds that smaller printers might actually have the environmental edge over their larger counterparts, saying, "I think the smaller printer has a distinct advantage in that it is much easier to make operational changes and get employees involved, which is key to having a successful program." American Printer recently spoke with 4 small printers that are thinking big when it comes to being environmentally responsible.
You can read their stories in the April feature, Big Impact, Green Strategies for Smaller Printers.
And be sure to check out American Printer TV archives for any casts you may have missed.
We will see you next time.